This could be the car for you. The 2023 Chevrolet Silverado. The all-new Silverado delivers smart technology, advanced safety features, improvements in bed and cargo design, and a refined level of comfort. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, 8-cylinder engine, fog lamps, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection, running boards, side steps, stability control, rear-wheel drive, traction control. Control the job without sacrificing comfort or connectivity. Get into the all-new Silverado.